Hello everyone, I am Nisreen. In this video, we will go over the steps of cooling down the DNP probe. DNP stands for Dynamic Nuclear Polarization. It is a technique that enhances NMR signal by transferring polarization from electron spins to nuclear spins in a sample via microwave radiation. This results in higher nuclear polarization, which translates to increased NMR sensitivity. NMR probes designed for MAS DNP operate at low temperatures to increase spin relaxation times, making the DNP process more efficient. In order to achieve these low temperatures, we usually cool a stream of dry nitrogen gas, or in some setups, helium, through a heat exchanger. The heat exchanger setup consists of a keg that's filled with liquid nitrogen. Inside it has small chambers and coils where high pressure gas flows through. There are 3 gas flows: the VT to control the sample temperature and the bearing and drive to control the spinning. Starting with the system at room temperature, we will cool down the heat exchanger unit. Okay, so begin by opening the softwares needed for that. For us, we use Topspin 4.05 and Topspin 3.6 to control the VT and the MAS 3 manual mode. We open it through a browser to control the bearing and the drive. To start filling the heat exchanger with liquid nitrogen, open the pressure release valve. Increase gas flows gradually from low to purge rates. So in Topspin 3.6, where we control the VT, we increase it to 935. You can see the numbers on the screen. And the bearing and the drive, we increase it to 1100. And the Venturi from 0.9 to 1.5. Okay, so now it is essential to purge all valves with nitrogen gas. So on the cooling cabinet touchscreen, navigate to manual mode by clicking on the configuration and open all vent valves and fill valves, setting all the exchanger valves to cooling mode. So you could do this 3 times with cooling modes, and then you repeat it the same with the bypass mode. Okay, so after purging, close all valves, ensuring they return all to the all red screen. Lower purge flows to low flows. Connect liquid nitrogen supply tank to the liquid fill line from the low temperature MIS cabinet. And with your liquid nitrogen tank connected to the heat exchanger, open the discharge valve on the liquid nitrogen tank and hit the auto fill. So the heat exchanger will fill to 37 centimeter, and you can close the pressure release valve anytime after reaching 10 centimeter. Now let the system cool for 1 to 2 hours. Reset the chamber volumes by pressing the 2 gray square buttons simultaneously. Now it is time to fill the chambers with liquid nitrogen. So press start to fill the chambers, starting with the bearing gas 2 minutes early or 3 minutes early. But usually it takes the longest for us to fill. So filling the chambers typically takes about 11 to 15 minutes. After filling, quickly switch to run mode on the touch screen and turn on the heaters by pressing on, on, on. Now it's time to cool down the probe, so begin by setting the desired gas line's temperatures and also the desired pressure set points as shown on the screen. And with chamber heaters turned on and the pressure at the desired set points, gradually increase the gas flows from low flow to purge flows. And allow the probe to purge with warm gas for a few minutes by opening the eject. switched the exchanger valves from bypass to cooling, and now the probe usually takes 20 minutes to cool, and feel free to turn on the microwave after that and start spinning. That's all for cooling down the DNP probe, and thanks for watching, and until next time, stay in resonance.